What's up guys, Jake here, welcome back to the channel. Well, I had an interesting week because on Monday I posted a video that kind of poked the bear, or apparently poked the ape. I posted a video titled AMC stock is a trap, how it can go to $0, and people were not happy. People started posting this on various Reddit forums maybe, or posted it on Twitter, I don't know. But I got an avalanche of people who are not my subscribers flooding onto this video to give it a thumbs down and leave me hate comments. And this is the first time that I've really gotten hate comments for a video I've made in mass. And I'm going to be honest, I think it's all hilarious that there's thousands of people willing to click on my video just to hate watch and hate comment a video. I mean, I'm not a very large channel, guys, so typical views, 1.8 thousand to 2.8 thousand in the first 2 days and 3 hours. And this one got 5 times the traffic, 11,000 views, just by taking a contrarian position and saying, hey, you know, AMC can always declare bankruptcy at some point in the future, and that would wipe out shareholder equity, including anybody who buys AMC. Does that mean AMC stock can't make it to 100 or 200? No, but people were not looking for nuance when they watched this video. Apparently, anybody who spreads FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt, has to be persecuted en masse. So this gang mentality that investors are taking, I just don't believe it. I don't buy into it. I think it's hilarious, guys. You can go ahead and leave me all the hate comments you want. But investing is not a team sport. If you want to participate on a team, buy an index fund or buy a mutual fund. But for people buying individual stocks, it's everyone for themselves. I don't believe anybody when they say I'm holding to the moon or I'm holding forever. No, you're not. It's your money, and you're going to do what's always in your own best interest. And you're only, part of the gang going to the moon on that stock as long as you believe that. The second that belief is broken, you're going to sell, which is why people are so critical about anybody posting videos that are negative about AMC. But this video is supposed to be an update to my brokerage account challenge. If you don't know who I am or what I'm doing, check out that playlist down below. And my account continues to trade sideways, up and down, just ever so slightly. The positions in this video are current as of Wednesday, June 9th, and I'm still up 78% on my cost basis. I started with $25,000 on this account on January 1st. And this headline captures it, stock market struggles for a direction, up or down. Which way are we going, guys? When you look at the last 6 months, there was this clear upward trend of the S&P 500 with very convenient pullbacks in order to take advantage of either an up or down direction. But around mid-April, it hit this 4,200 level, and it can't get above it. We had one market panic freak out in mid-May, and I didn't have any buying power to take advantage of it. And I'm holding on to a lot of cash, guys, waiting for this to not just be a flat line. We need to either go up or go down to get some action happening here. These are my positions as of my last update video. It all fits on one page now, and it's changed to this. I've only sold one position, Dana here, and I'm still sitting on about $15,000 worth of cash, waiting for a pullback. And Dana here, once again, I just got hit with news. They acquired this Canadian science company, and they're going to issue stock to make the acquisition. So that's what this red bar here is. And huge sell-off, killed all the momentum in this stock. It never got above 260, and I think I bought somewhere around here, sitting on it for 2 months, not going anywhere, just buy to close or sell to close and cut my losses. Now, if you've checked the community tab of my YouTube page, you know that I update people whenever I buy or sell something. And I purchased a meme stock. There was one company that people were talking about, that there was a buzz around, that I said, hey, I think I actually could get involved in this company. And that company is Wendys. And where did I hear about Wendy's? And I heard it from Meet Kevin. He mentioned it in this video, the next squeeze catalyst for AMC. He was talking about a previous video, 12 new short squeeze targets. I'm completely baffled why the Ape Nation is persecuting me for posting a video when Meet Kevin is talking about 12 other stocks to chase for short squeezing when they haven't even finished the short squeeze on AMC. Did it peak at 62 or is it going higher? If people are selling AMC to get into Beyond Meat and Tattooed Chef and Churchill Capital, then they're not going to finish the job on AMC. Just the thought process here. But Kevin mentioned Wendy's, and I said, hey, Wendy's isn't doing that bad. So I looked at their fundamentals, and I know this is not how you meme invest, guys, but I looked at their fundamentals, and revenue, not terrible. Net income, their profitability, yep, they're at least profitable. Shares outstanding. And look at this, Wendy's buys back stock. Holy cow. Let's go to price ratios, and we got P to E is currently at 45. Pretty high, but it has one. It's not 0. That's pretty good. And price to free cash flow, and this actually looks pretty decent. Only 19. So what happened here with Wendy's stock price is it shot up 20% in one day. And I said, what the hell's going on? This isn't a bad company. This is actually a pretty good stock. You know, the restaurant industry is not great, but not the worst. And there are all these articles on MarketWatch. Wendy's stock soars on summer salads, chicken tenders, tendies, you know, the investment thesis, and maybe some ticker confusion. I guess Redditors type when moon when they're talking about a stock going to the moon, and the ticker symbol for Wendy's is WEN. Likewise, Business Insider, Wendy's surges 19% on day trader mania as Reddit post highlights its chicken tendies and knack for memes. Wendy's actually has a really good social media presence as far as meme investing. So I said, why not? Around midday, this was on Tuesday, I bought about $5,000 or $6,000 worth of Wendy's stock for my brokerage account challenge, being like, this isn't a stock that I think is too terrible, and I don't mind holding it anyways. Its downside isn't that big from where it's already shot up. And if Redditors want to, you know, pump this, okay, this is a meme stock that I can actually get behind. And the thing about Wendy's is their market cap is still under $6 billion. It's much more realistic for a smaller company like Wendy's at a market cap of $6 billion to double by another $6 billion flooding into it. Whereas AMC stock is at $24 billion. So for this to go to 100, it's got to double again. So $25 billion has to come from somewhere. Now, yes, there's going to be some more short squeezes and some hedge funds are going to lose a lot of money, but 25 billion worth? I'm just skeptical about that. But of course, it was a trap and I fell for it, guys. You know, 100% being honest with you, I thought this looked attractive. And the next day on opening bell, dropped 10%. And I said, what the heck's going on? So when you look into it, Wendy's isn't even that heavily shorted. It only had about a 4% short position. So I held it during the day. On Tuesday, it went up maybe like 4 or 5%. I was feeling pretty good. Then on opening bell, it dropped instantly 10. I thought about it and I said, this is stupid. Why did I do this? So I sold my stock and then I short sold it. So I bought it, sold it, short sold it, and then bought to cover it. I'll show you what that looks like. So in my Schwab account, this is what all my trades look like from June 8th and June 9th. So I bought 200 shares of Wendy's for $5,578 on Monday. It went up a little bit and then it dropped the next day. So I quickly sold for a loss of $411. On the 1-day chart, it was still falling. So I said, wait, can I recoup some of this money back? So I short sold it at $5,168. watched it for the rest of the day. It kind of bottomed out and was going sideways, so I covered. Basically, you have to buy back the shares that you borrowed to sell, and I made back $125. So on this stupid exchange, I lost $286. Did I learn a lesson, and was that lesson worth $286? Here's my Excel spreadsheet of all my trades going back to January 1st, and the last 2 months, man, it has been hard with this market basically just trading sideways. I only have these 6 positions now. Costco, once again, I bought a put. I'm hoping that it goes down. It's trading sideways, which is a little infuriating. Adobe and Facebook are going up. They're my only money makers at the moment. Facebook still looks good, and Adobe, when it gets to 525, we'll see if it gets rejected or if it can break through. HCA, MMC, and Celanese are not really impressing me, but I'm still positive on HCA and MMC. Celanese, once again, just trading sideways, and I'm losing that extrinsic value on the contracts, so they're slowly turning negative. I gotta figure out if I want to hold on to these much longer or just get rid of them. Overall, I've been patient the last 2 weeks, and I think the best course of action is to keep waiting. I'm sitting on all this cash. I know there's going to be a news event at some point this month where the market is going to have a pullback, and that's the point where I'm going to jump in and buy some call contracts. That, or I just have to completely flip my orientation and start looking for more shorting opportunities or put contracts to buy. But once again, Costco is not giving me confidence that the market is yet ready for its downward trajectory, which I think is coming later this year. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up so the algorithm knows it's good. In addition, if you have any comments or questions about anything that I'm doing, let me know down below. I love hearing from you guys. Till the next video, take care.